Hey, what's up, Learn How to Draw Hub crew? I'm your host, Nathan Johns. Now, today we're going to be learning how to draw a cupcake. I'm excited. I hope you guys are as well. But one more thing, if you guys aren't yet subscribed to the YouTube channel, then go hit that button right now. Awesome. Well, let's go down to the strong. Let's go see what's
So for the first step in making our cupcake, we're going to begin by making one big L-like shape on the left-hand side of the page. Now from this end point, we're going to make one line that will be going straight up. This will be the bottom of our cupcake. Now once we're all done making the outline for the bottom of our cupcake, we're going to make one swervy line going from left to right. Fantastic start. Now for this next step, we're going to begin to add a face to our cupcake. So let's go ahead and make two circles for the eyes. Now in between those two circles that we just made, we're going to begin to make a small mouth. Awesome, now let's go ahead and begin to make the pupils inside of those circles that we previously made. Now once we're all done making the eyes of our cupcake, then we're going to move up top because we're going to begin to make icing. So for the icing, we're going to begin to make C-like shapes on each side. So we will keep adding on until we meet the very top of our cupcake right in the middle. Whoa, this is really cool. Now we're almost done, but we're not done just yet. We're going to begin to make curvy lines going from left to right. We're going to make a total of 2 in the icing of our cupcake. Now once we're all done making those lines, we're going to begin to add some sprinkles up top. So if you're watching right now, you're going to get an insider that the rest of the Learn How to Draw Hub crew has not gotten just yet. So soon to come, we will be releasing our first book of our book series, Buddie the Branch. The first book will be called Buddie Goes to School. Be on the lookout, it's going to be really awesome. And if you're looking for a cool birthday gift or something to buy a loved one, be sure to buy Buddie the Branch, Buddie Goes to School. Now to finish our cupcake, let's make C-like shapes by the eyes, which will illustrate blushing. Thanks for watching. Now let's get ready for dance party color time.